All right, so in this video today, let's talk about QR codes. A QR code, it stands for Quick Response, is a mobile, phone-readable barcode that can store website URLs, plain text, phone numbers, email addresses, and pretty much any other alphanumeric data. QR codes are similar to normal barcodes that are used by retailers to track inventory and product prices at the point of sale. Basically, when you're going to your grocery store, they're on the back of all your products. The difference between the two is that the barcodes are limited to 20 numerical digits. QR codes are two-dimensional barcodes that can hold thousands of numeric characters of information. QR codes can be used to create links to your website, email addresses, phone numbers, text messages. They can be placed on your printed material for easy mobile access. And you can connect with me right now and see how it works right here. Just open the camera on your phone and point it directly at the picture that you're going to see on your screen. We're going to pause it just for a second so you can do it. So your company can benefit from using barcodes in several different ways, just like I did there. You can open it right up and it opened to my LinkedIn. On the back of your business card, you can link it to your contact information, a brochure. You can link your social media sites like Facebook and LinkedIn like I did here in this video, your Avo profile, YouTube account, your YouTube videos, your testimonials, reviews, any image that you want. Your newsletter can include a QR code that links to an article that further discusses what your newsletter is covering. QR codes are phenomenal and they can be included in printed materials that you send out and links to your website or brochures, like I said, advertisements, anything. So I recommend posting QR codes even on your window with a link to download a brochure or a welcome video right outside your office, whether you are have your own standalone or if you have a space. They're also great for first-time meetings while your client's waiting for you in the conference room. So if you have questions, please feel free to book a call so we can discuss how you can use QR codes to market your business. They work. And again, I'm Montina, and I'm the founder and CEO of CI Media Group, and we help companies rethink business for the digital age. My company, CI Media Group, produced the video you're watching right now, and we are a certified minority, woman-owned, and Section 3 registered business.